In this video, we will set up the touchscreen for use in point of sale. This will allow you to make all your most commonly sold items and functions easily accessible from the point of sale screen. You are also not required to have a touchscreen monitor. The layout will function with a standard mouse. To add a new touchscreen layout, go to the point of sale module and select Till Touchscreen Layout. Enter a layout ID, then add a description. If this is the first touchscreen template you are setting up, you will need to start by creating a blank template, then select OK. You are able to create infinite buttons on the touchscreen by creating layers. It is recommended to put your most commonly needed buttons, such as casual entries, on the top layer. To add a button to the touchscreen, select a blank square. The following screen will appear. There are a number of different types of buttons we can add to the touchscreen. Select Product to add any individual product, service, membership or Visit Pass type to the button. Use the three dots to search for the product to add, and then edit the description that will appear on the button if necessary. You can select a colour for the button by selecting from the predefined colours or creating a custom colour. You can also edit the font of the button if you like. Select available times if you wish for this product to only show on the touchscreen at certain times, such as an off-peak service. Once you have set the required product, description, colour, font and available times for the button, select OK to add the button. Let's select another blank square to explore the other options for our buttons. Select Product Group if you have previously set up product groups in the admin module and wish to add a whole product group to one button rather than placing each product on the touchscreen individually. If you select a product group, the top button will display the group name and the other products will appear in a layer below this button. All products in a product group will appear the same colour on the touchscreen as the colour defined for the product group button. Select Text to add a button with plain text. If clicked, the text on the button will appear in the transaction box on the touchscreen. Select Link to create a button with a layer underneath it. For example, a direct debit membership link button with all the individual direct debit memberships underneath it. Select Function to place a button with a particular function on the screen. A drop-down will appear with the available functions for this button. The most common and recommended functions to put on your touchscreen are Print Previous Receipt, No Sale to open the till for till-offs, Clear Transaction, Class Payment, Membership Payment, Visual Booking Scheduler to go to facility bookings, Return Refund, Session Bookings to book customers into group fitness or other sessions, Facility Bookings to attend and take payment for facility, and Visual Scheduler to go to class bookings. Select Discount to add a button that will discount transactions. Enter the discount amount and description such as swimwear sale. Please note a discount button will not allow a discount if a product or service has been set to stop override in the product setup. You can also set whether this button will discount already discounted items and whether you require the customer details when giving the discount. Select Touch Layout to create a button that leads to a separate touchscreen. These could be used, for example, if kiosk products are also sold from reception. A button can be added to go to the kiosk touch layout, and you would also need to place a touch layout button on the second layout to lead back to the original screen. If you have previously set up kits, such as a welcome pack in the admin module, you can add these to the touchscreen for easy sale. Once you have added all your top layer buttons, you can add further layers under any button defined as a link. To add buttons under a link, select the plus next to top layer on the left of the screen. You will notice any link buttons you created are listed here. Click on the link you wish to add buttons underneath, and you will see a new blank screen. You can now add any buttons you wish to appear under this link in the same way we created the top layer. If you make a mistake with a button, you can click on the button to edit it, or simply click and select Clear to remove the button. Note that if the button is a link and other buttons exist beneath it, these buttons will have to be removed first before the top button can be edited or removed. Once you've added all your buttons and layers, simply click Close. To edit your touchscreen layout, simply go back to Till, Touchscreen Layout, and use the three dots to find your layout. You can create multiple touchscreen layouts if required. To add a new touchscreen layout, enter a new code and description. You can either once again start with a blank template, or you can copy a template you have already edited and edit it. Select Copy Another Template and use the three dots to find the template you wish to use. You can also delete a template if you are no longer using it. Simply use the three dots to find the existing template, then select Delete and Yes. Once you've completed your touchscreen layouts, select Close. In the next video, we will go through the final setup for the point of sale module.